This is STM32 based voltage ampere meter, which I have made for the inverter to see the voltage along with current of charging and discharging both with the positive and negative sign. So as you can see the voltage on the multimeter, and LCD is showing very well, and here is the current, and here you can see the negative sign on the multimeter as well as on the LCD. So if we increase the current from my power supply, as I have made from my TL494 based buck and boost converter. So here you can see the error of 0.2 amperes, which can be fixed in the code, and I will show you the way how to fix it. So let's see the working and making of this project. Hey guys, so this is the ACS712 30 ampere bidirectional current sensor module. So that here I'm using this module for the current measurement, and MCU I am using the STM32 module. You can use the Arduino Uno or any kind of MCU like the ESP32 module or the any kind of MCU. So for the display I am using 16x2 and I2C LCD display. So here I am connecting the I2C port like the SD and SCL pin of the display to the PB6 and PB7 respectively, the I2C port of the STM32 module. As you can see the data sheet, or you can find the diagram on the internet. And here I'm using the current sensor module, as this works on minimum of 4.5 volts, so that's why I'm using FTD module to power the 32 and STM32 module, as it's 3.3 logic MCU. And also I have connected the data output pin of the ACS module to this PS1, which is the ADC pin of this MCU, and it's a 12 bit, so it can measure very precisely as compared to Arduino or any kind of MCU. As you can see the voltage divider networks for the different kind of voltage measurement. So in my case I used 56 and 10 kilo ohm resistor divider network for the measurement of up to 22 volts, which is enough for my inverter of 12 volt system. And here you can see the diagram of MCU so that you can understand the working and connection. As I have connecting the divider's middle point of 56 by 10 kilo ohm to the PA0 pin. This is the analog input pin as also. And now we will power the LCD and ACS sensor along with 5 volt and the MCU with 3.3 volt. If you are using Arduino or 880 IC, which is basically 5 volt logic, so that you can calculate the resistor divider according to your MCU voltage. So here you can see the LCD is started and it's showing the voltage, ampere and power, as also the AH, which will basically show the ampere or from my battery or the charging ampere. So here I am plotting the multimeter voltage measurement with my power supply. So here I am connecting the power supply with my display. So here you can see the display and multimeter is showing the voltage very accurately. And if you see the accuracy, so the minimum voltage from my power supply is 3 volts. So you can see the LCD display, it's very stable. Now let's here you can see it's kind of some errors. So if you use like the 5% tolerance register, so this can be very common, but for the high accuracy and stability use 1% tolerance register like the blue one. So it's very good for this project, and it's very sensitive. So here you can see the maximum measurement can be achievable is 20 volts or even 22 volts. So let's see the ADC pin voltage, and it's a 2.9 volts, so that we can increase up to 3.3 volts. So according to this, we can measure over 20 volts. And here is its current section. As we can see the current measurement on the LCD as well as the multimeter, and now it's error of 0.1 or 0.2 amperes. So this can be fixed here. The ACS0 value which I have set 2.475. Just power the ACS model with your 5 volt supply and measure the voltage at without load of any current. So the voltage coming from the sensor, just write the in the code, so it will give you right ampere. So here I'm connecting the LED to test the load. As here you can see the voltage input pin. I will solder on the positive link. So here you can see the voltage coming, and now I'm engaging for my power supply, and it's a 9-watt LED of 12 volts. Now here you can see it's showing very good and also stable. So this is the LED testing, and now let's move on the coding section. As I have used STM as supported by the Arduino core library. Now here you can see the stability is very good. Now let's move on the coding section. And if you see, it's a bidirectional current sensing. So if you want to measure the current of charging and discharging, so this is very good sensor for measuring in the inverter. And here you can see it's a very good in the working. So it's a code of this project. And now here I have used I2C LCD display library for the LCD module, and include the wire.h library for the I2C communication, and the mat.h for the calculation of our voltage, basically used for the AH calculation with precise timing. And I have configured the ADC pins and also the I2C pins. And here the resistor divider network resistors. Basically, I have used 20 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm resistor divider network for the 5 volt to 3.3 volt logic, as the ACS712 module at if the power supply is consuming or training at 20 or over 30 amperes, so it can output up to 5 volts, which will damage the STM32 logic pins. So for that, we need to use divider at current sensing as well as both the voltage. So this is the full working of this project, and the details of the full project will be provided in the description. And also, if you have any doubt, you can check the description, and also comment the doubt in the comment section. So thanks for watching, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.